Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. I'm Matt. In our lives, we often face various dangers and emergencies, which may put us in life or death situations. However, you know what? Sometimes, a small tool or equipment can become our life-saving tool and protect our lives. Today, we will share with you 7 life-saving tools that can save your life in critical moments. Perhaps you have already thought of some common life-saving tools, such as first aid kits or emergency alarms, but these 7 artifacts will bring you more surprises and utility. Whether in a natural disaster, on a wilderness adventure, or even in city life, these tools will be your lifeblood. Let's explore these 7 magical life-saving tools together. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. First aid kit. In critical moments, a first aid kit is your best friend. It is a package filled with various first aid supplies that can provide necessary medical assistance in emergency situations. Whether it is an outdoor activity, a traffic accident or a domestic accident, a first aid kit can provide you with quick and effective first aid treatment and may save lives. The importance of a first aid kit cannot be overstated. It can provide you with a range of first aid supplies, including band-aids, gauze, wound cleaners, hemostatic agents, tape, scissors, gloves and more. These supplies can quickly treat wounds, stop bleeding, prevent infection, and provide basic first aid. When you encounter an injury, a first aid kit can provide you with necessary medical supplies, allowing you to quickly treat the wound and reduce the risk of bleeding and infection. For example, when you get a cut or scrape, you can use a band-aid or gauze to cover the cut and a wound cleaner to clean it. Additionally, if you experience severe bleeding, you can use hemostatic agents and compression methods to control the bleeding, which is critical to protecting life. A first aid kit can also help in other emergency situations, such as dealing with burns, sprains or broken bones. It can provide supplies such as cold packs, scissors, tape, etc., allowing you to provide basic emergency treatment for yourself or others. Also, the gloves in your first aid kit will protect you from the risk of cross-contamination. All in all, a first aid kit is one of the life-saving tools that can save your life in times of crisis. It provides necessary medical supplies so you can quickly and effectively treat wounds, stop bleeding and prevent infection. Whether you're on an outdoor adventure or in everyday life, it's important to have a complete first aid kit. Remember to always check and update your first aid kit, make sure it is filled with needed supplies, and keep it with you for any emergencies. 2. Emergency alarm. When we are in danger, it is crucial to get help from others quickly. That's why emergency alarms are an indispensable life-saving tool. This small device emits a high decibel sound to attract the attention of others and call for help. Using an emergency alarm is very simple. Typically, this type of alarm is designed to be very portable and easy to carry around. They usually come with a button or pull tab that requires just a tap or pull of the trigger to make a loud sound. The sound usually reaches over 120 decibels, which is enough to attract the attention of people around you and make them aware that someone is in need of help. This is important for attracting the attention of rescuers or others in dangerous situations. Emergency alarms can come in handy in many situations. For example, when you are trapped in a dangerous place and cannot easily escape, you can use a panic alarm to attract the attention of others and let them know your location. Similarly, if you are lost in the wild or encounter a threat from wild animals, an emergency alarm can also be your distress signal. In addition, in urban life, if you encounter danger or emergency, such as being chased or attacked, an emergency alarm can attract the attention of others and make them aware of your plight. An emergency alarm can save your life in times of crisis because it quickly draws the attention of others and lets them know someone is in need of help. Whether you are on a wilderness adventure, a natural disaster, or living in the city, having an emergency alarm is very important. Remember to familiarize yourself with the operation method before use, and keep it on hand at all times in case of emergency. 3. Cliff life rope. When you are trapped on the edge of a cliff or in a high place, a cliff lifeline can be your lifeline. A cliff lifeline is a specially designed rope that has sufficient strength and durability to help you safely descend from a high place to a safe place. The function of a cliff lifeline is very clear. When you're stuck on the edge of a cliff or high up, you can attach this rope to a stable pivot, such as a tree or rock, and throw it off the cliff. Next, you can use a special tying knot to tie yourself to the rope for safety. Finally, you can slowly descend to the ground along the rope to avoid falling from heights. Using a cliff lifeline requires some skill and knowledge. First, you need to learn how to tie strong knots to ensure that the rope stays securely on the pivot point. Secondly, you need to make sure the rope is long enough to reach a safe place. During the landing, you need to stay steady and don't be impatient or push too hard to avoid accidents. If you plan to do outdoor adventure activities or rock climbing, a cliff lifeline is one of the essential pieces of equipment. It can provide a reliable escape option when you are facing danger at height. However, please remember to familiarize yourself with the operating methods before use and make sure you have the appropriate skills and knowledge. Additionally, if you are unfamiliar with knotting techniques or the landing process, it is best to use a cliff lifeline under the guidance of a professional. In summary, the cliff lifeline is a very practical life-saving tool that can save your life in times of crisis. It can help you safely fall to the ground from high places and avoid accidents. Whether you are a rock climber or an adventure explorer, a cliff lifeline is one of the must-have equipment. 4. Telephoto camera. Telephoto cameras are powerful tools that provide us with many advantages by being able to shoot and record at long distances. Whether it's for evidence gathering, protecting yourself, or documenting a specific scene, long-range cameras can play a huge role. One of the advantages of a telephoto camera is that it can monitor and film from a distance. This kind of camera usually has a powerful zoom function, allowing you to easily capture distant details. Whether you're monitoring a wide area or capturing events in the distance, long-range cameras can record them in high quality. This is useful in many situations, such as security monitoring, wildlife observation, or photographing distant scenery. Another advantage is the evidence-gathering capabilities of long-range cameras. Whether at home, at work or in a public place, this camera can record important events and use them as evidence. For example, installing a long-range camera in your home can capture the actions of an intruder and help police track down a suspect. Likewise, placing remote cameras in the workplace can monitor employees as they work, ensuring a safe and efficient work environment. It is very important to demonstrate the capabilities of a telephoto camera. This kind of camera usually has the functions of long-distance monitoring and image quality optimization. Through demonstrations, we can demonstrate the remote monitoring capabilities of long-range cameras, such as placing the camera in a distant location and then using the corresponding equipment to remotely monitor and control the camera. At the same time, we can demonstrate the camera's picture quality by playing high-definition videos or images to show the details captured by the camera. In conclusion, the telephoto camera is an extremely useful and powerful artifact. It can shoot and record at long distances, providing high-quality videos and images. Whether used for surveillance, evidence collection, or other purposes, long-range cameras have their advantages. Remember to familiarize yourself with the operating methods before use and use the telephoto camera in accordance with local laws. 5. Self-defense tools. Self-defense tools are an important tool for providing self-protection in times of crisis. These tools range from pepper spray to stun batons to provide defense and protection in dangerous situations. Pepper spray is a common self-defense tool that usually comes in a bottle of spray that is lightweight and easy to carry. This sprayer contains a special chemical. When you are in danger, just press the sprayer to spray the chemical into the attacker's eyes or face. This chemical is an irritant that can temporarily disable an attacker's vision and mobility, giving you a chance to escape. Another common self-defense tool is a stun baton. This tool is usually a handheld device containing a battery and high-voltage generator. When you use a stun bat, you simply touch it to the attacker's body, press a switch, and the stun bat emits a high-voltage current. This electrical current can cause an attacker to feel an intense sting and muscle contractions, temporarily incapacitating them. Using self-defense tools requires some skill and knowledge. First, you need to understand and comply with local laws regarding the use of self-defense tools. Secondly, you need to be familiar with the operation of self-defense tools and fully understand and practice before using them. In a crisis, the correct use of self-defense tools can provide maximum defense and create an opportunity for escape. It is very important to show how to use self-defense tools correctly. Through demonstrations, we can show how to hold pepper spray and spray the chemical correctly. At the same time, we can demonstrate how to use the stun baton, including how to hold it and how to reach the attacker. These demonstrations can help people understand how to use self-defense tools and improve their ability to protect themselves. In summary, a self-defense tool is an important tool for self-protection. Tools such as pepper spray and stun batons can provide effective defense and protection in times of crisis. However, before using self-defense tools, make sure you understand and comply with local legal requirements and obtain appropriate training and knowledge. Remember to stay calm during a crisis and use self-defense tools appropriately to ensure your own safety. 6. GPS tracker. A GPS tracker is a very useful device that can track your location and provide it to others or rescue teams to get help in critical moments. Such devices typically use global positioning system, GPS, technology to determine your precise location and transmit this information to a relevant receiver. The functions of GPS trackers are very diverse. First, it provides instant location tracking information. Whether you are on outdoor adventures, traveling or other activities, as long as you carry a GPS tracker, your location information can be monitored and recorded. This is useful for organizing rescue teams or sharing your location with others. Secondly, the GPS tracker also has an alarm function. This means that in the event of a critical situation, you can trigger an alarm and have your location sent to a pre-programmed receiver. This is very important in situations where emergency rescue is required, such as when you get lost during outdoor activities or encounter an accident. You can get help quickly by triggering the alarm. Demonstration of how to use a GPS tracker is very important. First, you need to know how to set up and activate the tracker. This may include selecting receivers, setting alarms, etc. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with how to use a tracker to track your location. This may require you to operate on the tracker device, or through the corresponding mobile app. Finally, you need to know how to trigger the alarm and send location information to the receiver. By demonstrating these steps, people can better understand how to use a GPS tracker to get help and protection. In summary, a GPS tracker is a very useful tool that can track your location and provide it to others or rescue teams. It can provide instant location information in critical moments and trigger alarms to get help. Before using a GPS tracker, please familiarize yourself with the settings and operation methods to ensure correct use when needed. 7. Survival Manual. A survival manual is an important tool that contains survival tips and knowledge that can provide valuable guidance when the unexpected happens. Whether you're on an outdoor adventure, traveling, or in another emergency situation, this booklet can help you deal with any difficulty and challenge. The importance of a survival manual cannot be overlooked. This booklet is a comprehensive guide that provides a variety of survival tips and knowledge, including camp setup, survival food, first aid procedures, and more. It can help you set up a safe camp in the wilderness, find edible wild plants and animals, and provide basic first aid procedures for common injuries and emergencies. The content of the manual usually covers multiple aspects. First, it provides guidance on backcountry camp setup, including choosing an appropriate site, setting up your tent, campfire safety, and more. Secondly, the manual also provides information on first aid procedures such as cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, trauma management, and fracture fixation. In addition, the manual explains how to find food and water, including identification of wild plants and hunting techniques. An introductory guide to a survival manual might include the following: how to set up a safe camp in the wilderness, including tips on finding a flat spot, avoiding dangerous terrain and animals, and setting up a tent and campfire. Handbooks can also describe how to obtain food and water, including identifying edible wild plants and hunting techniques. In addition, the manual can provide basic first aid procedures such as cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, trauma management, and fracture fixation. In short, a survival manual is a very useful tool that can provide valuable guidance in critical situations. It contains a variety of survival tips and knowledge about camp setup, survival food, first aid procedures, and more. Before entering the wild or other potentially dangerous environments, it is recommended that you read and understand the contents of the survival manual to increase your survival ability and safety awareness. Thank you for watching our video. Today we introduced to you 7 life-saving tools that can save your life in critical moments. These artifacts include self-defense equipment, first aid tools, survival equipment, and communication devices, which are all important tools for protecting yourself and others in difficult situations. When faced with dangerous and unpredictable situations, these life-saving tools not only provide valuable guidance and support, but also bring us peace of mind and protection. However, we must remember that artifacts are just tools, and the real power comes from our own knowledge and skills. Therefore, before using these artifacts, we must understand and be familiar with their functions and methods of operation. We hope this video will remind everyone about the importance of self-protection and emergency response, and inspire everyone to learn more about safety and survival skills. After all, we never know when we will encounter a dangerous situation, but we can work hard to be prepared and improve our survivability. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. You are also welcome to share your views and experiences about these artifacts in the comment area. See you next time.